Hi, in this short video tutorial you'll learn how to get started with ANAVI Miracle Controller and how to connect the board to your local Wi-Fi network. The process is straightforward and it is the same as for my other open source hardware standalone development boards. ANAVI Miracle Controller is capable of simultaneously controlling two 5 or 12 volt addressable LED strips. Furthermore, you can attach a mini OLED display and various I2C peripherals. The default firmware is available at GitHub as an Arduino sketch. Make sure you're using the latest version of the firmware and turn on the board. From your personal computer, tablet, or a smartphone, connect to the Wi-Fi access point created by ANAVI Miracle Controller. As soon as you connect, a captive portal will pop up and guide you to the rest of the process. Select your local Wi-Fi network, type in the password. After that, select an MQTT broker. By default, ANAVI Miracle Controller connects to MQTT.eclipse.org. This is a public free MQTT broker convenient only for testing. It is highly recommended to use another secure broker, for example, to set it up at home. Each ANAVI Miracle Controller has a unique machine ID. I'm copying it here because I'll use it through the next demo. Hit the Save button. ANAVI Miracle Controller will turn off its own Wi-Fi access point and try to connect to the configured Wi-Fi network and MQTT broker. I have set up a simple demo site to quickly test ANAVI Miracle Controller. It also connects to the public free MQTT broker provided by eclipse.org. Open a web browser and type in demo.anavi.technology. Type in the unique machine ID. I have already copied it on the previous step, so I'll just paste it here and press the connect button. Using the buttons on the web page, I can turn on and off ANAVI Miracle Controller as well as to change the colors and to set up the rainbow effect. This website is just for demo purposes. It is highly recommended to set up your own MQTT broker and connect ANAVI Miracle Controller with popular open source solutions for home automation such as Home Assistant. I have other videos describing this. Thank you for your attention. Please stay tuned for more videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel.